Welcome to your library. iDoRecall exists to give you the superpower to remember everything that you learn. This starts with consuming your learning content and creating recalls or notes that are linked to the specific points that you want to remember. This linking creates the magic to help you remember everything you learn. In general, there are two repositories for your learning content. The first is right here in this library where you can upload files and videos. The second repository is the entire internet. When you use the iDoRecall web clipper browser extension, you can create recalls and notes linked to content on most web pages and videos on YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy. But back here in the library, you can upload Word, PowerPoint, PDF, and image files. You can also add YouTube and Vimeo videos via their share URLs. We'll even add web pages to the library for you as PDFs when you submit their URLs right here. We suggest that you organize your content with tags. Then search for your content using those tags. You can open a file or video by clicking on it in the list. Read or watch your content here and create linked recalls and linked notes as you come across anything that you want to remember. When you practice memory retrieval, if you struggle to recall an answer, click the source button. The source will open at the precise location in the file or time in the video so that you can refresh your memory in the context where you learned it. So that's the library and a bit about iDoRecall in a nutshell. We have a lot more helpful content available on demand, and you can always find answers to your questions by using our concierge. Click here or type Command K or Control K.